Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I got some explaining to do again. Once again, I took a couple London session trades. We are currently up $400. We took 11 trades. I know that's pretty much crazy going against my rules. And I took a very risky trade today on Friday, which I said I was not going to trade. But I mean, I was looking at the charts and I was seeing a lot of resistance and it was a quick in and out. But we're up. But I am not satisfied and I am not happy with myself because I broke my rules once again. Going into next week, we're going to focus on sticking to our rules, right? Risk management is key. Like I said, I took 11 trades, but risk management is keeping me in the game. I am very confident with myself. I am very confident with market experience. With all the knowledge I've attained over the last couple months, right? Having my risk management and all my settings is really helping me a lot. That's why I'm able to take 11 trades and still keep a 44, and I have a 44% win rate, 4% higher than yesterday's win rate, right? Let me show you guys real quick. I'm gonna break down today's winners and I'm gonna just show you guys the L's, but I mean, I don't wanna make it a long video and I don't wanna break down every single trade because it was so many fucking trades. But yeah, let me show you guys. All right, you guys can see we're up 2,000 for the whole combine. All we need is roughly $800 win. Then I took 11 trades, but we'll explain that. You guys can see we're up 1,400 for the week. I took 11 trades. Horrible, yes, but I have good reasonings, right? Yesterday during London session, I took a couple trades. You guys can see from 10 p.m. all the way to 11:50. I was good losing this profit. I was good. That's why I took multiple trades. I lost the profit and then I left the runner, right? That was at 11:22 to 11:48. I knocked out. I was like, you know what? I'll live with the consequences. I had these trades, right? I had a winner, a loser, and then 2 winners, right? So this was my reasoning for today's trade. After the news, we literally had this bearish candle right here, this long ass candle. Pause, but we had this long ass candle right here coming into this zone, right? What I've been saying by my market experience is like, sometimes you do have these confluences, sometimes you do have these all these strategies and things, right? But if you've seen that it's a level where price has rejected multiple times and it's a level where we expect a reaction, and my whole bias has been bullish for the whole week. Literally, we've been on a bull run for the whole week. As soon as we swept this liquidity right here, I entered my position at above this line. As y'all saw the $200 trade, I got scared a little bit, took some profit and re-entered at this candle right here as well. Took some profit and pretty much closed the trade before all of this happened. But yeah, that was pretty much why I took so many trades. In reality, it wasn't that many trades in my opinion, because I mean, I was just using the profits as my safety net. But you guys can see still here, I still have my same settings. I'm risking 250 to make 750, right? Pretty much that's what we need. We need a couple good trades to pass the combine. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it for the trading day. Ended the week off great. But the thing is, like, I don't feel good with myself for the simple fact that I didn't keep myself accountable. I took a lot of trades, right? You guys seen that it was minimal risk. I did have the biggest L that I had was over 270. That's why I say risk management is key, it's crucial. I am believing in myself. I am building that confidence within me. Even though I broke my rules, I've been breaking my rules the whole fucking week. I am building that confidence within me. I am more confident. This is one thing that you need when you're coming into the markets. Don't be overly confident when you're in a losing streak, or when, you know, don't be having that gambler's mentality of like, oh, I know that I am right, I can win, when you're fucking losing 5 trades in a row, right? There's a difference between confidence in your strategy, confidence in yourself, and overconfidence with that gambler mentality, right? But right now, I'm about to hit my workout, make some breakfast. I'm gonna head to Walmart, get some stuff, some coffee creamer, because I haven't had coffee in like a day. Go clean the car. I'm not gonna wash it, just clean the inside. I got everything written down that I need, like from important to least important. But I'm done cleaning the crib. I just gotta, the crib smells good too. So then I also might hop in the call on the Discord with my boy. He hasn't hit me up yet, but that's what we got going on for today. It's one of my days off, but like I said, I never have days off, right? The days off from my regular job are when I are used to work on my brand, on my business, on my trading, on all of these things, right? On my content, on something that's gonna get me that freedom, right? But on that note, I'm about to do my workout, make my breakfast, and yeah, just carry out the duties that I gotta finish. But yeah, let's get to it.
Hey, what's up?
So I got this egg over here cooking still, but this is the breakfast for today. Man, I made some bacon I put them in like in the batter because I wanted a corn dog yesterday. I passed by Sonic and I wanted a corn dog, so I was like, you know what? Let me make a healthier option. I'm still eating the bacon every morning, so might as well just combine it, you know? With it being my day off, making over $400 today, I'm up 2,000 on my whole eval, and not having that urgency to like be in a rush because you're going back to work, it feels good. Like once we acquire this freedom, it's like it's so amazing because I feel so good about myself. There's no stress there's no stress in the back of my mind whatsoever, right? About going back to work, about anything. And then the freedom that trading brings is like, after I have my trades, I could just literally enjoy the fruits of my labor, right? Like just shit, go do whatever. Like it's literally literally freedom, right? Like I could just do whatever. Like right now is like my day off. Like right now, like I did my workout, I had my breakfast, cleaned the crib and all these things, and it's like, what is there else to do, you know? Which right now it's a lot of grinding, you know, like that sensation of like, damn, like it was a great morning, it's been a great trading week, and like once I reach this level of profitability, once I start getting my payouts and all these things, it's like this new life is right there for me to grab, right? Right now I am about to hop in the shower, about to go run some errands. Like I told you guys, I'm about to go to Walmart, clean the car and get some gas too. One thing that I've seen that trading has helped me a lot with is my patience. I'm always very rushed and stuff. Like I was saying, I am a very anxious person. Like I always gotta be on time. If I tell you I'm gonna be there at 12, I'm gonna be there at 11:55. You know, I've been like that my whole life. And with trading, I've been able to control myself when it comes to that, right? To being more patient, being less anxious, and trusting in myself. Because I mean, as a young kid, I always had to explain myself. Everybody thought I was doing something that I was, you know, like one funny thing is, like, I never started smoking weed until I was 18, right? Because I was an athlete and I had the same mentality I have right now, that I didn't want to do the same things everybody else was doing. And I always had to explain to like my parents and everybody around me that are like, oh, you're always high and this and that, because my eyes look low, bro. Like naturally I look like if I was stoned, right? But I was always explaining myself and people never believed me, and it built that sense of like that little anxiety within me that I have to prove myself to other people, and it made me very anxious. And now with trading and all these things, like it really has helped me a lot control those things and build that confidence within me, because that's the only thing. And also this all this journey, all me documenting my journey and creating the content has also helped a lot, right? I don't have to prove nothing to no one but myself, and it's a battle that we're constantly going against, right? But you just gotta believe in yourself, right? Me being more confident in myself, trusting in myself, is reflecting a lot on my combine, on my trading, right? Let's go get some gas and clean the car, and yeah, and to Walmart as well.
what's up?
After that call I had with my boy, and I explained to him a little bit about the markets. I'm still trying to figure out my Discord. My boy Greg got in the call, and I don't know how to fucking navigate Discord yet, but I'm going to figure that out. But the call went good. I gave him some good pointers when it comes to the market. It's one of my boys that is trying to get into trading. He's coming from options trading into futures. Pretty much explained him how the contracts work and all these things. But yeah, after that, I just spent the whole afternoon with my son. I just went for some dinner right now. I got a Chick-fil-A salad. I am starving. I skipped my lunch today, but yeah, I decided to go with the salad. I love the salad from there. I think it's going to be a shorter vlog for today, just for the simple fact that I was taking care of business, right? One thing I want to tell you is you can change your life, right? Every decision that you make impacts you in a good way or in a bad way. You know what limits you from becoming the best version of yourself, right? We are so close to passing the combine. We're so close to getting funded, and it's been a lot of errors. It's been a lot of mistakes that I've made in the past that have come with lessons that gotten me to where I am today. I'm building my confidence day in and day out. I gotta stick to my rules. I can't stress this enough. Mainly because this week was a week full of news. There were many rules broken, but we ended the week green. Thankfully, we ended on the right side of the news. Didn't get liquidated by the news, and we were smart enough to take some good trades. We played it safe, right? Risk management is the key to everything, but understand that you got the power to change your life. I keep stressing this every single time throughout the week, through the content, but in reality, like, nothing changes if nothing changes, right? We've heard this before, but what does it mean? If you don't change nothing, don't expect your dreams, your visions to come into reality, because if you're not changing nothing, you're not doing no actionable task towards that dream to make it a reality, nothing is going to change. Like for me with the pull-ups, I said on my Instagram, I wanted to finish January being able to do 3 pull-ups. I'm now able to do maximum of 5 pull-ups, which is crazy, and I wouldn't have fucking been able to do that if I didn't start, right? The only thing that was limiting me was me being scared of not succeeding, right? But nothing changes if nothing changes. You gotta start taking action. You can dream all the fuck you want. Dreaming is free, but nothing's gonna happen if you're not taking action towards that, right? If you're not doing anything towards your dreams, if you want to get funded, if you want to become a profitable trader, you got to start backtesting. You got to start reading books. You got to start taking notes. You got to start watching courses. You got to start watching all these things, which I encourage you guys to go check my free beginners course down in the description. But you have to start doing something. Just because you want to become this and that and you're not doing something towards it, you've been unprofitable for the last 3 weeks. Are you changing anything? Are you studying? Are you backtesting? Just because you want to see the money, don't focus on the money. I heard this quote a couple days ago, and it really stuck with me today because of my risk management that has been the key to my success. It's like, focus on not losing. Focus on not losing money. That is going to change your whole game plan. That's one tip I want to give you guys. Like, we're all focused on making the money. You get so lost in your rules. You get so lost that you disrespect your rules. You want to mitigate your losses. You enter multiple positions because you want to make more money. But focus on not losing money, and trust me, you're gonna have a whole different perspective on the market. You're gonna look at the charts differently. Like, okay, you're gonna take better trades, and something that I gotta work on, right? The bad trades that I took, I want to say 2 days ago or yesterday, I should have waited, right? I should have limited my losses. I should have waited for the perfect entry. I should have waited after 7:30. I should have not gotten in a trade when market opened, because I know it's very volatile. I know there's a lot of movement, there's a lot of volume, anything could happen quickly, and I got stopped out, and then I had a better entry. And it's just about focusing on not losing money. On that note, boys, I'm starving. I'm about to have my food. Clean the crib is clean. I haven't been home. Hit the shower. I already finished my workout, and really focus on my mistakes from the week. I'm going to brainstorm tomorrow's video. Probably start off with the vlog, and yeah, just plan tomorrow. You gotta be prepared. Plan tomorrow in order so you're not just drifting around and not executing properly, right?